upset. Well, I can't exactly translate it, but I can tell that something will explode. I don't exactly know what's going to be happening, but an explosion will be inside this bottle or flagon or whatever you want to call it. This is what we managed to make from I think, from the fourth experiment, which was zombie slime. One spoon of whatever that was in, and I accidentally dropped it. And now that it's out, I can tell that the liquid inside is purple. From here it looks black, but so I know that it's purple. I think it was more water in here. Also как вулкан.
Ну, такие неприступные скалы. Взрыв из пены.